right, we got ourselves out of order last week, so let's get us back on track. Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Raff's Reviews. I am Raff, and on this channel we say don't spend your hard-earned money on something that may not fit your needs. Let me try it out for you first, help you decide whether or not it's something that you want to buy. Today's review is not sponsored. I purchased this product on my own, so let's go ahead and get started. So last week we did BattleBox Mission 109. Normally we'll only do one a month, but we got the ordering all straight and they sent me box 108. So we'll go ahead and take a look at 108 now. Alright, as usual, we'll start with our pamphlet. So this is BattleBox Mission Brief 108. Alright, so starting off with the basic box, you have the Revo Canyon folder. Okay, so there is the Revo Canyon folder. Nice curved blade on it. Nice deep pockets. Overall length on this bad boy we've got about a little over 7¼ inches, and the weight is 5.3 ounces. Nice sharp edge, very sturdy, and then the unlock is here on the side, little button. Now I will say, for me at least with my hand, that if I go to thumb flip this open, because of how fat the bottom of the blade is, my thumb keeps touching that, so I probably wouldn't do a lot of thumb flicking with that, but it does just fine with a wrist flip also. So yeah, definitely a great everyday carry. Alright, next we have the Flextail Tiny Pump X White. So basically you would use something like this to inflate your little air mattresses while you're in your camping gear or your hiking gear. Okay, we've got the little pump, a USB-C USB-C cord, so looks like it's definitely a rechargeable battery. A little carry bag. And whatever those are that are now lost. Alright, and then just your different attachments. So that looks like for a beach ball, and then just other different sized adapters that you might need depending on what kind of valve that you're trying to inflate. So they'll just sit on the edge here, and then if you long press, you got a little tent lamp. It's got its own little hanging part there. Brighter, brightest, and no strobe. Double click and it spins up, and single will turn it off. Let's get a beach ball from my kids' toys and see how well that works. Okay, so got one of my kids' beach balls here. Just your regular couple dollar one at the Wally World. Yep, so it works as advertised. Now I wonder, can I And looks like you can put it on the other side and it'll deflate your mats also. All right, so nice little gadget. I will probably keep that on the boat, so that way all the little tubes and floaties and all those kind of things can get inflated without me getting a head rush. All right, next we have the Brunton Lensatic compass. So for me, you can never have enough compasses. Looks like your standard military type with a thumb holder. You have your sighting lines, magnifier, and let's see, the arrow west, east, and south are all glow in the dark. So that way you can, let's see if we can't get that in focus for you here. So that way you can handle any kind of night land navigation that you might need. Folds up. And yeah, that will definitely go in one of the go bags. I think I was short 1 or 2 compasses for everybody's go bag for the family anyways, so that'll take care of that. Okay, so that was the 3 components for the basic box. You had the knife, the tiny pump, and the Lensatic compass. So moving on to the advanced box, we have a Dark Energy Poseidon Nano. Let's use that new knife to get this bad boy open. Okay, so inside the box we have a USB-A USB-A to USB-C charger and the battery pack itself. So according to the box, it's got your wireless charging on the back, but the USB-C port on the bottom is in and out. So if you're trying to charge something that's not magnetic, you can go ahead and do it that way too. So let's sit this here, and there you go, charging up. And you know, that can stay there, so as you're talking you can extend your battery life. This will definitely be EDC for me. For the latest iPhone, I went with the iPhone Pro instead of the Pro Max, and boy, could I tell the difference in the battery charge. So this will come in useful every day for me, so that will definitely go in my everyday carry bag. Okay, in the Pro box, we get the Grail GeoPress. This one I've definitely been excited for. So obviously in go bags, you know, I got stuff like packets of water, and I also have life straws, which are all fine and dandy, but like even with the life straw, it's literally like if you find a source of water, you're going to be laying down for a while sucking that up or spitting it into a container after you get it out of the water source. So let's just take a look at this quick start guide. Okay, so basically what you do when you get to your water source, unscrew the bottom. So this is your filter end here. So you just put your water in here. There is a max fill line right there. See if it talks about how much water it'll hold. So it will hold 24 fluid ounces of water. So put your dirty water in the bottom, put this back on the top. Your cap has a red and a green dot. You'll move it over to the green dot, and then press like a French press, and that's going to push that water through that orange filter on the bottom and fill up that inner chamber with your fresh water. And then you can just pop your top off and drink away. You can also open the top to have the wide mouth. So this is 100% going to go in my everyday carry bag, as it does have a slot for a water pouch, water bottle. Normally I'll keep my water bottle in there, but this will go in there instead now. So that way I always have the ability to get fresh water. Okay, so the lifespan of the filter is 350 cycles or 65 gallons worth of water, and that's in fairly clean water, saying not like a lot of silt and stuff that you're going through. And then the shelf life when it's not used is 10 years. All right, and then as usual for the Pro Plus box, we have a knife of the month. This is the Real Steel Sakura Pro Battle Box exclusive. So blade length on this is 3.31 inches. Overall length is 7.36 inches. It has a glow-in-the-dark thumb stud. The frame finish is blue titanium coating. Blade steel K110. Scale material G10. Weight 2.8 ounces. Has a crossbar lock. It comes with a little tool. It has a flathead screwdriver, a Torx 8, a Torx 6, and a Phillips screwdriver. Oh, that's a nice looking knife right there. Very easy thumb screw on that one. Super sharp blade. That feels like shark skin on the side. So you have a pull down lock on the blade and super smooth motion on that blade. That is a really nice knife right there. Nice, good, sturdy, deep pocket clip, and that pocket clip can be put on the other side utilizing the tool that they give you with it. So yeah, that's a really nice everyday carry knife. All right, so all in all in the box, we got the pocket folding knife, the little small inflator with light, you got your Lensatic compass, our little power brick, our Grayl water filter, or water press I should say, and that awesome pocket knife there. All right, so overall pleased with that box. Out of this box, I will get use out of everything that's in there, so that is great. If you have any specific questions about anything that was in the box, just drop those down in the comment section below. I'll answer them to the best of my ability. And as usual, if there's something else that you want to see reviewed, just put that down in the comment section. Also, please make sure that you lay out any specific questions that you might have about the product, so that way I can make sure that's in the review for you. Other than that, that's going to do it. Thanks so much, and we'll see you next time. Bye.